Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super handy for those unexpected expenses. How to borrow money on Cash App. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for quick, practical tech and finance tips. Cash App's borrow feature can be a lifesaver, but it's important to use it wisely to avoid any financial pitfalls. Let's jump right in. First things first, not everyone qualifies for borrowing on Cash App. You'll need an account in good standing, which means no negative balances and a linked bank account or debit card. Start by opening the latest version of the Cash App on your phone. Always make sure it's updated for the best experience. Once you're in, head to the home screen and look for the Borrow option. It might be under the Banking tab or appear as a prompt if you're eligible. Tap on it, and you'll see how much you can borrow, typically between $20 and $200, depending on your account activity and history. Next, review the details carefully. Cash App will show you the loan amount, any fees involved, like a flat fee instead of traditional interest, and your repayment timeline, which is usually a few weeks. For example, if you borrow $100, you might pay back $105 plus fees. Make sure you can afford it before proceeding. Think of this as a short-term solution, not a long-term fix. If everything looks good, hit Borrow to apply. Approval is often instant, and the money will hit your Cash App balance right away. Remember, timely repayment is key to keeping your account in good shape and avoiding extra charges or impacts on your credit. In wrapping up, borrowing on Cash App is convenient for emergencies, but always consider alternatives like saving or budgeting first. It's a tool, not a crutch. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance hacks. Thanks for watching, and stay smart with your money. See you in the next video.